Do you know that Uganda is one of the countries in Africa that has helicopter maintenance center? Did you know? Actually, some of you didn't know. Uganda, one mu Uganda. Tulina ewantu ewakolebwa oba ewa maintainingibwa oba ewaddabirizibwa helicopter zino ezivugibwa. Era ng'ekifo kino kisangibwa Nakasongola. Gyevuddeko eyo Museveni yagenda n'akiggulawo mu butongole era yabaako obubaka bwe yawanga agamba nti actually defense is one of the services that are crucial in Uganda. Era we butali obutebenkevu bw'eggwanga buyinza okubeera compromised. We know that. Era wano yali aggulawo ekitebe kino oba ssente eno helicopter zonna we zikuŋŋaanira ne bazikola service. N'agamba kyewuunyisa okulaba nga ebintu byonna ebikolebwa oba ebyeyambisibwa mu defense kangeze nga helicopters, amasasi, emmundu byonna tebabikola wano. Why? Because we do not have that capacity. Wano no, we have n'agamba at least if we want to save money, nenga even maintenance we can't maintain nga tulina genda wabweru, and then or we hire people from outside to come and maintain for us the things that we use. Nagamba that becomes so costly. Era wano n'ategeeza nti olw'okuba nti bagguddewo ekifo kino ekitibwa helicopter maintenance repair and the overhaul plant kijja kuyambako okulaba nga ate Uganda esavinga sente ezandibadde zihayalinga abantu okuva ebweru oba ne helicopter okuzigenda okuzisavisingira ebweru. Wuliriza statement ya Museveni gye yakola.
Now, defense is one of the services. It's a service provided to the country by the army. But you find that this defense service is using equipment which is not made here, almost 100% in many of the African countries. In other words, we are consuming what we don't produce. So therefore, the modest steps we are taking here, not only in this factory, but there are some few other things around here and other places, are to solve that irrationality. Because that irrationality is very costly. You are talking of saving money. You are using helicopters, imported helicopters, which you don't make, but which you don't even maintain and repair. This is very serious. So this is just a modest step to say, okay, you are not yet making the helicopters, but at least maintain them, service them. I think the servicing you do is somewhere, some servicing, some oil. That one I always see you oiling. But maintaining, you are not doing. And repairing and overhauling.
Your Excellency, today is another day. It is a day to remember in our history. Indeed, as the Minister of Defense and Veteran Affairs and the UPDF, that your vision of professionalization and technological advancement is taking place. And today what we are doing is one of them.
It is this complex joint structure that has allowed us to create a project for the overhaul of Uganda Air Force Su-30 Mk2 aircraft, and everyone in has played this an unreplaceable role. In a very special way, we wish to convey our heartfelt gratitude to the Uganda People Defense Air Force for their undying commitment, technical input, and their continued business opportunities in making this facility a reality.
The savings have already been talked about. I won't need to repeat. And so this is what this facility benefits us as you commission it today, Your Excellency. I want therefore to thank Your Excellency on behalf of the UPDF for continuously guiding us to help us build a formidable force.
Your Excellency, on behalf of your Uganda People Defense Air Force and on my own behalf, I welcome you to Nakasongola cantonment, and I take this opportunity to thank you for finding time within your busy schedule to come and commission a first maintenance, repair, and overhaul plant in Uganda and in this region.
The servicing of these assets has for long been carried out in foreign countries, which is, apart from being costly, denies the country opportunity to build internal capacity. The repair and servicing of helicopters within Uganda by own defense industries, therefore, will provide a form of self-reliance and a credible and sustainable in-country defense capability. Following Your Excellency's guidance on the need to develop our defense industries by, among others, building internal capacity, Overhaul Industries, working with the Air Force, embarked on establishing a helicopter maintenance, repair, and
That is it. By the Uganda is one of the countries that are so innovative and working around the clock to see that they can support their local industry. We've seen a campaign dubbed Bubu Build Uganda, by Uganda Build Uganda, and you've seen a lot of things that are done here in Uganda, like we have Kira EV that is producing vehicles, and electric vehicles are soon coming, and other things that are being done here in Uganda, and the government is ready to support those small industries to thrive and have the capacity to produce more quality things here in Uganda.